What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Drop Shot Noah here. In today's video, I got another EDC update. I've done a few of these in the past, and I've kind of refined and sat back and thought about like what I actually need, what's compact, what I can fit on me, and what am I going to get the most use out of. A big trend in the EDC community is a whole bunch of like pocket junk, titanium junk. I'm not really into that. I'm a normal dude. I work in sales. I sell beer and liquor for a living. So I don't need anything crazy. So this right here, what you're seeing is just a culmination of deep thought and stuff that I would actually need in my day-to-day life. If you can get anything from this video, I'm happy. Before we go and start it up, if you guys like this type of content and you want to see more in your algorithm, leave a like and a sub, and your YouTube algorithm will give you more of these types of videos. But let's get started, man. So everything here is intentional. I don't carry everything here all the time, but I'm just going to show you some of my main items that make my life easier whenever I need them. Let's start off here just as a quick, just a real compact leather wallet that I have, like $10 on Amazon. I like just like a card holder type wallet that also has a cash in the center. Everything I need, super slim, front or back pocket. That's the wallet. As far as watches go, I really like Casio. I'm a huge Casio fan. I've been a fan of G-Shocks in my whole life. This is my main everyday watch. This is a Casio G-Shock square face. So I'm normally wearing this one. But whenever I have like a meeting or an interview or anything like that, I'll throw this guy on. It's a little bit of a fancier watch. Not expensive at all. This thing was less than $50, but you know, it just adds a little bit of niceness to whatever outfit I'm wearing. Super handy. And also, if I lose it or break it, I'm not, out thousands of dollars because it's a Casio. So big fan. Real quick, pen. I write things down every day, and I'd like to take notes about stuff that is in the field, or if I need to remember something. G2 Pilot. If you guys know about this type of pen, you know. Best pen. I've always used one of these. Let's get down to some of my knives and stuff. So as of right now, I have moved on to almost exclusively using a utility blade. I cut open a lot of packages for work. I cut boxes to make displays at grocery stores and stuff like that. And the utility blade is just what's best for me right now. And I use this thing a whole lot. It's a button lock. The brand is Flissa. It's titanium utility blade. It's just super convenient to always have on you. And whenever you do need to sharpen it, you just swap the blade. And it's super easy. Pull the tab here. Boom. Comes out. Utility blade. I was always a pocket knife guy before, but over the past year, I've really been more of a utility blade guy. This is just a knife that I carry sometimes. This is the Benchmade Bug Out clone. It's the Ozark Trail Walmart one. I don't have really cool knives. I just have knives. I wish I had better knives though, but I don't, unfortunately. But this is just something I'll carry every once in a while. Maybe when I'm not at work, or if I forget the utility, I'll just carry this thing. It's a super good knife, super durable. It holds up, man. It holds up, and it's super fidgety too. Ozark Trail, $10 Walmart Benchmade Bug Out. Love it. This right here, this is another thing I was mentioning earlier, I don't carry all the time, but this is some pepper spray, some OC spray by a company called Palm. Shout out to Palm for sending me a nice care package, man. Their products are awesome, dude. Another cool thing about them is if you buy Palm pepper spray, you get a little practice canister with water in it, so you could practice the stream without, using the actual spray. So that's really cool. I've never had to deploy pepper spray, but something along the lines between lethal and non-lethal pepper spray, always good to have on you. As far as multi-tool goes, I've always been a Victorinox guy. If you've seen Victorinox, you know what their knives are like, but this one, the two main things that are different about the Tinker, Super Tinker, is it has scissors, and instead of a corkscrew, it has a Phillips head screwdriver. I had the regular Tinker before, it just didn't have scissors, but I swapped to this one when I lost it. So if you like this, I have a video of this on my channel. You can check that out. Now, let's get to the thing that everyone's been waiting for. This right here is my everyday carry pistol. I keep it in a T-Rex holster inside the waistband. And this is my Glock 43X MOS. Just to show you that it's clear. I've had this for about a year, and I've done a few things, as you guys can see to it. I'm really, really comfortable with this pistol. I've shot about maybe 4,000 rounds through it. I know this gun inside and out. I'm very, very comfortable using it. I'm very accurate with it, and I just love this thing, man. The 43X is awesome. Just heard that they're bringing out 15-round mags, and I'm super hyped to get my hands on some of those. As far as carry ammo goes, I carry Spear Gold Dot 124 grain. This is what my local law enforcement runs, so I just decided to run those as well. I heard online that if you have to deploy a firearm, it looks good in court if you use the same rounds that your local law enforcement. I think Gunman YouTube channel said that, but yeah, Glock 43X, TLR 7X sub, Holosun 407K. I got some co-witness sights on there. You could see through the optic really nice, just in case it goes down. Katana magwell, one of the best magwells on the market. And I got some Handle-It Grip Edge series on here. But other than that, everything internally is stock. I like to keep my carry Glock stock. I have a Glock 19. I keep it stock when I carry it. But this right here is my main pistol that I carry. I also use this one when I'm carrying without the light. Sometimes I don't want to have the light on there. It saves a bunch of room. So yeah, there it is, boys. Glock 43X. A couple of the lights that I carry. This is a company sent this to me for a review. It's like an EDC flashlight, and it has, I think it's 800 lumens high, and it has a whole bunch of settings, you know, and it also has a laser pointer and like a lantern mode. And on the lantern mode, it has like SOS settings and also has a black light. Super long battery life, rechargeable, pocket clip, deep carry. Awesome. This thing is cool, but I don't always carry this one just because it's kind of big. The two lights that I do mainly carry are the Olight. I think this is the i3T. It's a little 200 lumen light. This is more than enough to look under shelves at work, and it's super, super compact. But if I need something a little bit more beefy, I carry the Olight Clip. Now, this thing has a bunch of features. It has a strobe mode, and it has a black light mode, and also a stream mode. Sorry, flood mode and stream mode. So, also rechargeable USB-C. And it's magnetized too. Let me see if I can magnetize it to something. Oh, that's not metal. Anyway, magnetized. You could stick it on something, and it also has a clip here, hence the word clip. AirPods. I take a lot of phone calls, and I like to listen to music. So these are the newest AirPods on the market. I don't know which version they are, but I always love to have some AirPods on me. Makes life car, or if you're on the run, AirPods are always important. Keep a big lighter on me. I don't smoke that often, but I do like to smoke cigars or cigarettes when I'm drinking, so I'll have a big lighter on me. Some kind of chapstick. We're coming out of winter, and my lips get chapped. This is just any kind of chapstick. It's not particular, but Burt's Bees is what I have right now. Love this stuff. Keep your lips moist, boys. This is another thing that I use a lot of. These are lens wipes. Just tear it open, clean your glasses. I wear glasses as well as sunglasses, so it's always good to have lens wipes. Nothing bugs me more than a smudged up pair of glasses. Last but not least, these are my sunglasses. They're actually prescription. I do, like I said, I do wear glasses, but these are Oakley's. I don't know exactly which model they are, but they're super nice. They're polarized. I have really good vision insurance. I got these for free from my vision. But yeah, Oakley sunglasses. These are awesome. I love wearing these. They're super comfortable. And when you're on the range, you can also put over the ear headphones and they feel nice and comfortable. Oakley sunglasses. All right, boys, that's about it. Spring 2026 EDC update. Let me know what you guys think. What you guys have any recommendations? What you guys think I could do better? What would you add? Let me know in the comments. Like and sub. Love you guys. Say it back.